Are you looking to live in a master plan community in Houston area? Here are the top 13 based on RCLCO Real Estate Consulting recent top 50 top selling master plan community mid-year 2022 report. In this article, 13 of our own made it to the top 50. Yeah, edge down. 13 out of 50 are here. That just show you, due to the migration the nation has seen, Texas and Houston are very attractive to a lot of people, especially because our homes are more affordable than most areas in the nation. I'm Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate. This is part 1 of 2 series of video. Here I'm going to talk to you from 13 to 7. But first, what's the master plan community? It's a large-scale residential neighborhood with a large number of recreational and commercial amenities. These master plan communities feel like you live in a city within a city. The developer make a point to build a lifestyle around it. You will have shopping, restaurants, schools, park, and so on there. The community is broken down into sections from 40, 50, 60, and 70. The higher the section, the more expensive the home, of course. These sections help in the way where you don't have a $300,000 home next to a $1 million, for example. Also, they typically bring different builders to help provide different type of home style and avoid cookie cutter feel. A master plan community offers a lot of amenities. The more amenities, the higher the HOA fee, which is homeowner association fee. Most of them are in the suburb of Houston and have a MUD, which is a municipal utility district which collects an extra tax from all the residents. Let's start. Number 13, Jordan Ranch in Fulcher, Texas by Johnson Development. Located in Fulcher, south of I-10, just 35 minutes away from Houston, you will enjoy country life with a modern twist in this community. Homes are priced from the $300,000 to $1 million. 3-bed to 6-bedroom, 1 to 2 story. 9 of Houston's top builders are in this community. To name a few, you will have Lennar, Westin Home, Chesmar, David Weekley, Perry Home. Amenities are lazy river, fitness center, pool, splash pad, walking trail, tennis court, playground. The community hosts 75 plus events throughout the entire year for all the residents. A farm is even on site in the community for anyone loving harvesting their own fresh fruit and veggies. The little one will enjoy Lamar ISD. Number 12, Wood Forest by Johnson Development in Conroe, Texas. Located in Conroe, south of Lake Conroe, from the high 200 to 1 million, you will get 3 to 6 bedroom from 1,500 to 5,000 square feet home. Builder are Jeff Paul, Custom Home, Taylor Morrison, Chesmart, Perry Home, David Weekley, Darling Collection. You also have Highland Home, Lennar, Wedding Legacy Home, Westin Home, Huntington Home, Triple Luxury Home. The amenities here are Forest Island. The tennis, basketball, and aquatic center with 2 pools in the heart of Wood Forest is focal point of fun in the community. Golf course, parks, and trail available. For the school, you will enjoy Conroe ISD and Montgomery ISD. Number 11, Caldwell Ranch, Ross Sharon, Texas by DR Horton. Located in Fort Bend County, minute from Pearland, easy access to Highway 288, Highway 6, Fort Bend Toll Road, and FM 521. This will make it easy to get to downtown and the medical center. The prices are in a high 200 to 400,000. You will have an option of 3 to 5 bedroom, and of course DR Horton is the only builder and developer. The amenities are pool, tot lot, covered pavilion with picnic table, shallow splash area for kids, water slide, soccer field, and of course you baby will enjoy Fort Bend ISD. Number 10, Cross Creek Ranch by Johnson Development in Fulcher. This one is located outside of Katy Stinko Ranch and West Park Toll Road on 3,200-acre community in the middle of nature. Schools are zoned to Katy ISD and Lamar Consolidate ISD, depending which section of the community you'll be living in. The community offers pool, splash pad, fitness center, lake. You can ride your own boat even. Park and trail, You also have an Italian-made cafe on site for the community. Cross Creek Ranch also features Bonterra, a 55-plus resort-style gated enclave community, priced from the 300,000 to 1,100,000 square feet to 65. Some builders also offer full custom build and many floor plan. To name few builders, you would have Darling Home, Lennar, 3 Point Home, Newmark, Perry Home, Chessmark, Partner Builders. Number 9, Meridiana, Roche Huron, Texas by Rise Community. Located south side by 288 and Highway 6 after Pearland, here you will enjoy the Adventure Cove, which offers an exhilarating wave pool, Tidal River Fitness Center, large pavilion, food truck park, and many community events. Park and trail, and of course a cafe Sol, the restaurant on site. The home price are from $280,000 to $600,000, 3 to 5 bedroom. Builders, to name a few, are Coventry Home, David Weekley, Highland Home, Chessmark Home, Gracemart Home, Perry Home, Dree Custom Home, Shea Home. You kids will enjoy Alvin ISD, and you will have the elementary school in the community, which is great to ride a bike in the morning. Number 8, Highlands Porter, Texas, community located on Highway 99 between I-45 and 59. You will enjoy home and nature in Montgomery County. 2,300-acre exploration of nature beauty in a densely tree park-like setting feature large recreational lakes and mile of trade. And you also have a 55-plus section. Caldwell Home and David Weekley Home are building the quality home in our 55-plus section for home buyer. Fairwear Pine is the name of that section. The home have from $300,000 to $900,000. You will have about 12 builders on the site. To name a few, like Perry Home, Newmark, Lennar, Baser Home. As for amenities, you will have indoor and outdoor field and on-the-water activity that offer exciting resident activity planned by a full-time on-site lifestyle director. So no time to be bored there. Golf, playground, fitness center, pool, water park with lazy river, and so many. For the schools, your baby will enjoy New Kenny ISD. You will also have an elementary school on site. Number 7, Sienna in Missouri City by Johnson Development and Toll Brother. This is an established community on Highway 6, close to Fort Bend Toll Road. The community offers a variety of park, exceptional school, plenty of amenity that will please everyone in the family. You also have parks, pool, golf course, splash pad, fitness center, and many more. Some sections are also gated. Fort Bend ISD will welcome you kids. You will have some school in the community. The prices are from the high 300 up to 1 million plus. You have a good variety of builders. To name a few, Toll Brother, Newmark, Perry Home. Make sure to watch part 2 of this video series to view the top community from 6 to 1. If you want to tour one of these communities, feel free to reach out to my team. We are here to help you. I am Danielle Belumbu of DBK Real Estate, et à bientôt!